Right now, I think that science communication is more critical than ever because some of our biggest challenges going forward as a species are coming from scientifically approachable problems. The increasing population, their continued need for more food, more fuel, more space, and doing all of this with fewer resources. How do we do that? And these are problems that science needs to solve. And so we need to have the public engaged in the idea that scientists are actively thinking about the climate, thinking about food and food challenges.
I think it's really important to be engaged in these dialogues and in science communication because people are out there and they're talking about it. And that is going to happen whether we're participating or not.
Bad science is becoming an increasing issue. The prevalence of predatory publishing, the ability to become published even when the science is kind of dodgy. What is good science? These are a lot of problems these days.
You can take good science and people with political agendas will cherry pick bits out of it and reframe it to meet kind of a political agenda. Or it could just be a poorly constructed scientific study that's taken way out of context and maybe overestimated and overblown in the media.
This is our biggest battle, is that it's so easy to appeal to consumers or others based upon fear. The problem is that it is an opportunity to be deceived, and it's an opportunity that others can use to misinform, and misinform very effectively. Plus, fear and the products that can be created with fear are much more impactful and sometimes even more sexy than the drab science that drips out of the end of a test tube. And so this is one of our biggest obstacles, is getting people excited about reality when reality isn't nearly as captivating as something that's truly scary.
If we're not getting the right information, then our opinions being shaped maybe in not the right way. We influence public policy and that decision making, and then that is reflected again in society and what we have in terms of incentives, what we have for benefits as a country, as Canada and other parts of the world.